reality of today's economy has many people feeling the squeeze from rising costs, inflation, and high interest rates. You're not alone, but smart investors aren't panicking. They're pivoting. And one powerful tool gaining traction right now is real estate crowdfunding. Welcome back to Fourth Alotho, where we help you live better, save smarter, and build wealth without breaking the bank. Whether you're running a home-based business, chasing the business lifestyle, or just trying to make your money stretch farther, this one's for you. Let's break down 3 major benefits of real estate crowdfunding in today's economy, and why Fundrise might be the smartest move you make this year. Benefit 1. Low-cost entry. Crowdfunding lets you invest in real estate with as little as $10. That means anyone, from full-time entrepreneurs to side hustlers, can start building passive income and securing their financial future without draining their budget. It's a low-risk entry point that fits perfectly with the low though mindset. Smart, simple, and strategic. Benefit 2. It helps protect you from inflation. As inflation pushes everyday costs higher, rental income and property values often rise too, so your investment keeps growing while your dollar works harder for you. That's a powerful tool for long-term wealth building and financial balance. Benefit 3. High interest rates equals less competition, more deals. Right now, fewer people are buying property outright, which means platforms like Fundrise can scoop up great real estate deals. That gives you access to high-value investments without the stress of buying, financing, or managing a property. If you're looking for an easy way to invest, focused on your goals, and ready to build real wealth, real estate crowdfunding could be your next power move. Invest smarter, grow your income, live better. 4. The Lotho. Tap the link in the description to check out Fundrise and join the For the Lotho community of smart, strategic investors today.